Okay, welcome to our next video. We're in lesson 2. We're gonna start by, let's do like a recap. Let's go to our standards. Remember, our goal is to be able to count forward to 120. If we can count to 100, then we can count to 120. It's always good to practice. And we have to make sure we can count backwards from 120, so that's counting down. So we gotta count up and we gotta count down. Which one is harder? Counting down, because sometimes you forget what is the number that comes before the number you're on. So if you practice, you'll get better over time. All right. And then of course we're going to count by fives and tens going to 100. And that's what we're going to look at for today. So let's go back to our paper. Now, count by fives. I believe doing this is very straightforward. If you go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. But that's starting at 5, 10, 15, 20, etc. What if you started at a different number? That's where it becomes more challenging. So let's start at 1. So we need to do 1 and we need to count up 5. I like using the fist method. We call it the fist method because you use your fist, okay? You only need one hand to do this, so your other hand shouldn't be in the way. You shouldn't even be using it. Instead, you close your fist on one hand, and with your fist closed, you say the number you're on. And we're on 1. So with my fist closed, I say 1. And then using that fist hand, I'm going to slowly put some fingers up and I'm going to start counting up. So I start by closing my fist and I start on 1. So 1. I put my first finger up and I'm at 2. And I keep putting a finger up and I keep counting. 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 5 fingers in the air, which is what I want, and I stop and I have 6. Now I'm on 6. I close my fingers and I say 6. Put up a finger and I got 7. Next finger, 8. Keep going. 9, 10, 11. Let's keep going. Close your fist. 11. Put up a finger. 12. Next finger, 13, 14, 15, 16. Close your fist. 16. Put up a finger. 17. Keep going. 18, 19, 20, 21. Close your fist. 21. Put up a finger. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Close your fist. 26. Put up a finger. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Close your fists. Close your fingers. Make a fist. 31. Put up a finger. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Close your fists. Close your fingers. Make a fist. 36. Put up a finger. 37. Keep going. 38, 39, 40, 41. Close it. 41. Put up a finger. 42. Keep going. 43, 44, 45, 46. Close your fingers. 46. Put up a finger. 47. Keep going. 48, 49, 50, 51. And we'll stop here, and we'll just put dot, dot, dot. That means it's going to keep going. Very good. So yes, it's very simple to memorize 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, but it's more challenging if you don't start at 5. Okay, that's counting by fives going up. What about if we had to count going down? So I'm gonna put a big number to get us started. Not that big. We don't want to get freaked out. How about we put 47? And we're gonna count down by fives. So close your fingers. You start by saying 47. When you put up a finger, you got to count down. So that's 46. The next finger, 45. Keep going. 44, 43, 42. Close your fingers. 42. Put up a finger. 41. Keep going. 40. When you put up the next finger, who's underneath 40? Who do you say before 40? 39. Put up a next finger, 38. And then 37. Keep going. Close your fingers. 37. Put up a finger, 36. Keep going. 35, 34, 33, 32. Let's see how much we can do. Close your fingers. 32. Put up a finger. 31. 30. What's underneath 30? 29. 28. 27. Close your fingers. 27. Put up a finger. 26. 25. 24. 23. 22. Close your fingers. 22. Put up a finger. 21. 20. What is the number you say before 20? 19. 18. 17. Close your fingers. Say 17. Put up a finger. 16. 15. 14. 13. 12. We're almost done. Close your fingers. Say 12. And then put up a finger. 11. Keep going. 10. 9. 8. 7. Close your fingers. 7. Put up a finger. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Very good. So counting by fives, even if we don't start at 5, counting up by fives, counting down by fives. All right, one more thing we're going to talk about before we end the video. So we can use the fist method to count by a lot of numbers, right? So for example, let's write down something so we can see what we're looking at. Color is nice. Okay, purple. What if I had 23 plus 4? This means plus or add or count up. Plus, add, count up. It's the addition sign. It's addition. And put an equal sign. So this is just to show you fist method some more. All right, so the first number I see is 23. So I close my fist and I say 23, and then I'm gonna count up 4. So once I have 4 fingers in the air, I can stop. So I close my fist and I say 23, and I put up a finger and I get 24. Then I keep going, 25, keep going, 26, keep going, 27, and I stop there because I have 4 fingers in the air. I can do the same thing counting down. This is a minus, right? Which is a count down, which is subtraction. Subtraction. So what's the first number I see? 48. So I close my fist and I say 48, but I have to be careful. I'm not counting up, I'm counting down. So I close my fist and I say 48. I put up a finger and I have 47. Next finger, 46. Next finger, 45. I stop because I have 3 fingers in the air. Now, I have 2 fists, actually. I have 2 hands, so each hand has 5 fingers, so I have 10 fingers. So I'm gonna use my other hand too. Let's do this. 23 plus 9, okay? So again, plus means count up. The first number I see is 23. So I close my fist. On one hand, I close my fist. I'm going to start counting. Once I run out of fingers, I'll use my other hand. Okay, let's try it together. Close your fist. You say 23, and then we're going to keep going until we have 9 fingers in the air. All right, close your fingers. We got a fist. We say 23. Put up a finger, 24, keep going, 25, keep going, 26, 27, 28, grab your other hand, make a fist, 29, put up a fingers, 29, put up the next finger, 30, keep going, 31, 32. You have 9 fingers in the air. Let's do it one more time. Put one hand out your way, keep one in front of you, close that fist. Start by saying 23. Put the fingers in the air and count up. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Grab your other hand, close that fist. Put up a finger, 29. Keep going, 30, 31, 32. Stop because you got 9 fingers in the air, and the answer is 32. Now, of course, we can also do it counting down. The first number we see is 48. So we're going to make sure we have one hand out the way. One hand is going to be closed like a fist. We're going to start by saying 48. We're going to count down until we have 9 fingers in the air. So 48, put up a finger, 47, keep going, 46, 45, 44, 43, grab your other fist, put up a finger, 42, keep going, 41, keep going, 40. What is the number you say before 40? 39. You got 9 fingers in the air, so it is 39. Okay, and that's where we'll stop for today. So remember, we're going into first grade and we're working on making sure we can count, adding up, adding down. Don't forget, you also got to be able to write your numbers and spell them. So write them in number form, spell them in with letters. That's always good to practice. We're using fist method to count up and count down. Now, eventually, you will be counting up with more than 10, and we'll get to that when we get to it. But for now, we're good to go. All right, so hopefully the video was good for you. Make sure you watch it again. If you need help remembering, make sure you're practicing, and I'll see you next time.